Hello, my beautiful seniors. Welcome to day 26 of our 60-day fitness journey. If you're new here, we've started a special daily exercise series just for seniors. Easy, safe, and effective workouts you can do right from your home. Exercise 1, sit to stand, chair squats, 50 reps. All right, my beautiful seniors, let us begin our first exercise for day 26, the sit to stand, also known as the chair squat. This simple yet powerful movement strengthens your legs, improves your balance, and keeps your independence strong as you age. First, make sure your chair is placed on a flat, steady surface. Sit down comfortably with your feet shoulder-width apart, your back straight, and your arms crossed over your chest. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and get ready to move with me. Now we will start together. Remember, slow and steady is the key. Let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you are doing great. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, keep breathing deeply. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, halfway to 30 already. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wonderful. Keep that energy going. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. How are you feeling? Tell me in the comments and let me know which country you are watching from. Now continue with me. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, keep your back straight. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, you are doing amazing. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, just 10 more to go. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Share this video so your senior friends can join you too. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Excellent work, my friends. You have just completed 50 sit-to-stands with perfect control and grace. Feel that warmth in your legs? That is your strength growing. Take a deep breath and give yourself a smile. You are building stronger legs, better balance, and a healthier you every single day. Exercise 2, seated leg extensions, 50 reps, each leg. Now, my wonderful seniors, let us move on to our second exercise for day 26, the seated leg extension. This exercise strengthens your thighs, improves your knee stability, and keeps your legs flexible for everyday activities like walking, standing, and climbing stairs. Sit upright on your chair with your back straight and both hands holding the sides for balance. Take a deep breath and keep your shoulders relaxed. We will begin with your right leg first. Lift it straight out and slowly bring it down. That will count as 1. Keep your movements gentle, steady, and controlled. Let us begin together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great start. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, keep breathing and stay tall. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, excellent effort. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, feel that gentle stretch. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway there, switch to your left leg now. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Your legs are already stronger than they were on day 1. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Keep smiling. You are doing beautifully. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Only 10 left. Stay with me. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Feel that gentle pull in your thighs. That is your strength waking up. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Wonderful work. You have completed 50 perfect repetitions on each leg. Your thighs are stronger, your knees more stable, and your confidence is growing with every movement. If you are feeling proud, tell me in the comments which country you are exercising from and share this video with your friends so they can join your journey too. Exercise 3, standing calf raises, 50 reps. All right, my amazing seniors, let us now begin our third and final exercise for day 26, the standing calf raise. This exercise is wonderful for improving your balance, strengthening your calves, and keeping your ankles flexible. It also helps you walk more confidently and reduces the risk of falls. Please stand behind your chair and hold the backrest gently for support. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart, your back straight, and your eyes forward. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, we will begin. Now gently lift your heels off the ground and rise up on your toes. 1. Slowly down. 2. 3. Feel the stretch. 4. Keep breathing. 5. Nice and smooth. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are doing great. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Feel that strength building in your legs. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. wonderful balance. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We are halfway there. Stay steady. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. If you are feeling a little burn, smile. That means your balance is improving. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Excellent work. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Only 10 more. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Comment done. If you are completing every repetition with me, you are inspiring others too. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Fantastic job, my friends. You have just completed 50 standing calf raises with beautiful form and control. Feel that gentle warmth in your calves? That is your strength growing and your balance improving. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and give yourself a smile. You are doing something wonderful for your health every single day. Beautiful job, my friends. You've completed day 26 of our 60-day challenge. How are your legs feeling today? Tell me in the comments. Remember, I don't earn from ads because I don't want interruptions during your exercise. If you'd like to support my free workouts, my payment link is in the first comment. And don't forget to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends. Let's grow stronger together. See you tomorrow for day 27. Your health is your greatest wealth.